How's it guys, I'm Houdini and I'm here to tell you about the MOLUS G200 from Zhiyun. As a content creator and a YouTuber, lighting has always been something that I've personally struggled with. It's not generally because of the lighting itself and getting the lighting right, but it's also because of the deconstruction and construction depending on what you're filming, and the ability to get that right quick on the fly so that you're not wasting too much time. The MOLUS G200, a game changer for production and especially solo content creators. Honestly, it's the best piece of production equipment that I've used. What makes the G200 so special? It is a light like most other film grade lights, except it's not. But there are important details that we need to speak about first. It's a 200 watt studio light. Well, actually, it's a 300 watt studio light with its max extreme setting. It has the same mounting principles as generic studio lighting. Even though this is a bit of a spoiler, it has 180 degrees in its adjustment, making it very versatile. It takes standard Bowens mounts, but Zhiyun does have their own lineup of softboxes and attachment accessories. And lastly, as expected, you are able to adjust the wattage and Kelvin. Now for the exciting parts. Firstly, it's tiny, making travel and setup a breeze. The power supply doubles as a control box, making physical adjustment far less daunting because you don't have to reach for the actual light in order to make those adjustments. Even though the light can go up to 300 watts, it still runs extremely silently because of its Dynavort cooling system. There is multiple functionality on the control box as well as things like music mode. Best of all for me is the mobile application, where not only can you create profiles and control the light, you can create light walls and control many devices simultaneously. Just like this. Here's max mode, by the way. Oh my word! Hopefully that's good. Further, it also has the ability to take a picture of the lighting that you want and for your light to automatically adjust to this lighting. I will admit though, it does need a bit of tweaking. Best of all, you are getting a 300 watt small form factor smart light, which price is comparable with most other 300 watt lights that you can find today. This light has honestly made my life so much easier in production, and it is a must have for all creators and even studios.